If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can set the default preferences of elements by selecting Edit, Preferences from the menu bar. Here you will see the default preference categories displayed in a side menu. You can select any of these preference category choices to view the Preferences dialog box. Notice that the menu at the left side of the Preferences dialog box contains the same preference category choices that you can see in the side menu, so you can switch which preference category you are viewing without having to leave the dialog box. The preference category selection you make within this menu determines which specific preferences appear at the right side of the dialog box. After selecting a preference category choice, you can specify the settings for the preferences within that category at the right side of the dialog box. Some of the preference settings you can change within this dialog box are the general settings, display and cursor options, transparency settings, and memory settings, among many others. After changing the settings for any default preferences you want to apply, click the OK button at the right side of the Preferences dialog box to apply the preferences. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.